Hey guys, it's Jenny with Jenny Joyce Soap, and I'm here to say thank you so much for the overwhelming response we had this weekend to our Independence Day sale. I'm doing some packaging in the shop today, but I wanted to reach out to everyone and tell them thank you so much. We are a family-owned business, and our mission is to empower young adults in our community that struggle with neurological deficits. While we create employment opportunities for them, this is a important mission to us and close to us at heart. So we want to say thank you for helping us in this process. We're going to offer you an additional 2 days off the coupon code FREEDOM23. So if you were busy with family and friends this weekend, we completely understand. Take a look at our website, check out our blog and our products page, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions. And once again, thank you for your support. We appreciate you.